Okay, in contrast to our flat rate loan, which we've looked at previously, a reducible interest rate loan means that each annual amount of interest is based on the amount owing at a particular time. Again, probably easier to look at with a specific example. So you've got a loan of $10,000 and you're charged 9% per annum reducible interest over 3 years. The loan is repaid in 2 instalments of $4,200 and the balance at the end of the 3rd year. So for the first year, the interest for year 1, you are paying 9% of $10,000. So you will pay 9% of $10,000 interest, so you will pay $900 interest. So at the end, or at the beginning of year 2, how much money are you owing? Well, the $10,000 that you initially owed here, plus the $900 interest that you have been charged. But you're going to pay $4,200 back, it tells you there. So how much do you now owe? So if we add 10,000 plus 900 and subtract 4,200, you now only owe 6,700. So how much interest are you going to pay on that for the second year? So the interest for year 2, you are paying 9% of 6,700 because that's what you're owing now. So you are paying 9% of 6,700. So the interest that you will pay is $603. So what is the balance at the beginning of year 3? Well, you owed 6,700. You have to add the interest that you have to pay, but then you're going to subtract 4,200 because up above it says that you are paying it in 2 annual instalments of 4,200. So there's your first one, and we're now paying a second one. So if we do 6,700 plus 603 minus 4,200, then you still owe $3,103. Okay, so how much interest are you going to pay for year 3? Interest for year 3, you are going to pay 9% of 3,103. So 9% of 3,103, the interest you are going to pay for year 3 is $279.27. So how much do you owe? So how much do you now owe? Well, you now owe $3,103 plus the interest. So you are now owing $3,382.27. So you've made one payment of $4,200, a second payment of $4,200, and now you are going to pay the balance because it says that you make 2 annual instalments of $4,200 and you will pay, so there's the year 1, year 2, and you'll pay the balance at the end of the 3rd year. Okay, so how much have you paid altogether? So you have paid 4,200 plus 4,200 plus 3,382.27. That's what you've paid altogether. And if we put that into our calculator, you have paid all up $11,782.27. Now remember that your loan initially was for $10,000. So the interest that you ended up paying, you get the amount that you paid back minus the amount that you actually borrowed, which tells you that you paid $1,782.27 interest. The other way to calculate how much interest you paid, well, you can look here. That's how much interest you paid the first year, $900. That's how much interest you paid the second year, $603. That's how much interest you paid the third year, $279.27. And if you'd added the interest all together, you would have got this same amount. That is the interest that you paid for your $10,000 loan.